Chapter 31. Gossip and Speech. Gossip and false report are classified as false witness or being an unrighteous witness. Exodus 23, 1 and 2, Leviticus 19:16, Deuteronomy 22, 13 to 21. The references to Exodus 23, 1 and 2 and Deuteronomy 22, 13 to 21 have in mind a legal proceeding, although the case in Deuteronomy 22, 13 to 21 begins as slander and becomes then legal action. Leviticus 19:16 refers to gossip. It is equated with taking a stand against a neighbour's life and is a very serious matter. If one man assaults another, usually the bruises heal in a short time, but if he slanders his neighbour, this stain and hurt linger on. Hence it is that God so strongly stresses care in speech. In the Ten Commandments, the statement reads, "Neither shalt thou bear false witness against thy neighbour," Deuteronomy 5:20. The primary reference is to a court of law, but this does not exclude the court of life, where we continually bear witness before the Lord. In the Sermon on the Mount, our Lord tells us, "But let your word yes be yes, and your no, no. Anything beyond this is from the evil one." Matthew 5:37, Berkeley version. He plainly connects gossip and trivializing speech as satanic in inspiration, a very serious classification. The scriptures have much to say on speech. Paul in Colossians 4:6 declares, quote, "Let your speech be always with grace, seasoned with salt, that ye may know how ye ought to answer every man." Paul here speaks of the fact that a Christian may be attacked because of his faith. To answer all critics, one's speech should be seasoned with salt, then an idiom for being intelligent and governed by wit rather than anger. Above all, one should always be governed by grace in speaking. James 3, 1 to 18 is a strong statement about the menace of an unruly tongue governed by malice and sin. In brief, speech is a serious matter.